The Lok Adalat is being held throughout this week by 7 benches of the Supreme Court. Our experience today was that it was a resounding success. It's a Lok Adalat which has the cooperation of the bar, the judges of the Supreme Court, and there has been extensive groundwork which has been done by the high courts, by the state governments, by the insurance companies. The idea is to settle small cases. People don't realize how many small cases come up before the Supreme Court. So we chose cases involving service disputes, labor disputes, land acquisition cases, motor accident claims compensations, cases relating to the dishonor of checks, just to give you a few illustrations of the cases which are coming to the Lok Adalat. And parties were contacted in advance by the district legal services authorities. They had pre-Lok Adalat sittings, and which have helped in facilitating the settlements. Overall, I think the presence of the members of the bar as part of the Lok Adalat panels along with the judges has sent the right message across society that though the bar and the judges are on two different sides of the court, normally in court proceedings, we are stakeholders who are united in our effort to do justice, particularly to citizens involved in very small cases. And this reaches out to the marginalized groups of citizens in our society, people with extremely small claims, not adequately resourced citizens. And I think it's important that the Supreme Court assists and facilitates them in the resolution of their disputes. I hope that with this Lok Adalat, this will now become institutionalized in the future in the Supreme Court. You know, ultimately as judges, the greatest satisfaction for us is when we help parties resolve their disputes. Of course, as judges, we have to decide disputes, deliver judgments, decide them in accordance with law. But the most important thing is the satisfaction which you get when parties have resolved the disputes amicably.